My name is Rikki Maizey. I'm the Managing Director of Maizey Plastics. It's a family business that's been in operation since 1950. It was founded by my grandfather in 1950, and our role and function in the market is the distribution of products to the sign and digital printing industry. Yes, we have some new digital printing media that we are launching at this exhibition, and particularly focusing on the flatbed digital printing, because we see a real growth in technology for flatbed digital printing. And traditionally Maizey has always been in the rigid substrate and solid sheet business from the traditional sign making materials, and then of course it was evolved into digital printing in roll media particularly, and now we're very happy to see that there is such a good growth in flatbed digital printing. We're very closely linked to what happens in Europe here in South Africa, and you will see on the European exhibitions as well that a lot of South Africans attend the European exhibitions to go and see what is new, what the new trends are, and so on, and we come back. So we're not far behind here in South Africa in terms of what's happening in new technology and new products in Europe. Well, certainly from my point of view it's an important platform for us to come and show our new products. And yes, we have salespeople in the market that visit our customer bases and discuss new products and things we bring into this market. But very important for me is the African customer that comes in, you know, from various different countries in Africa. We've had quite a few people from Nigeria, Angola, from Zambia, from Zimbabwe, and what have you. So that's important for me to broaden our customer base, because you know we have a very good footprint in South Africa, but again for expansion and growth across our borders. And I think Africa is really offering real growth opportunities. Yes, I'm very happy. You know, discussing with my staff that are on the stand, manning the stand here, that at times it feels as though it is not as busy as the one that the exhibition that we had last year. But I think in terms of the quality of this year's show, the quality of the stands of the exhibitors, and of course I think that because we have more space, it is more spread out, that it feels as though it may be a little bit quieter, but I think it's more evenly paced. And if you have a look at the number of inquiries that we've had over the last 3 days, it is certainly better than it was last year. The future for Maizey is growth and expansion into Africa. So, you know, as I said earlier, it is important for us to maintain and continue to grow in volume and with our current customer base here in South Africa. But from a geographic growth point of view, it is important for us to start taking the product to the customer in Africa. Absolutely, as always. It is the international exhibitions, as I've said, is very important, because this is where we go to see what the new trends are, what the new products are that are being launched, and we have to source those products in Europe and Asia and bring them back to our customers here in South Africa.